Hey guys, today we're at Dunnet Head, the furthest north you can ever go in the United Kingdom. So we're gonna check it out. So we go up to the 360 panorama.
They did. I read a book that was
Ah, that's the Orkney Islands in the distance. Wow. Okay. Not sure if you guys can see it from here, but that's the Orkney Island. And I don't think we'll be making it there, will we? Could we?
maybe.
Let's see what this says. What's that? Rora Head, Old Man of Hawaii. Capel.
There's another small.
So we came from down there. In fact, the van's actually parked just over there. Yeah, so we walked along and came up this way. And this is what this place looks like. And there you have it, guys. This is Dunnet Head, the furthest north you can go in the UK. It's yeah, it's nice, as you've seen. So what are we going to do next? Do you know? Is there anything else to see? I wish we could have been able to see the puffins and the like, because there's quite a bit of wildlife that you could see here. But we don't have binoculars. We just have to make do with our naked eyes. Yeah, so off to the next place. So to finish off, we have made our way to a famous place called John O Groats. And if you've watched the previous videos, or our previous video of Land's End, we went to Land's End, and now we've made it to John O Groats. And yeah, this is what it looks like. So yeah, look, so it's 874 miles to Land's End, which is the furthest south, and then we're at John O Groats, which is the furthest north. And I'm proud of that achievement now. I'm super proud of that achievement. It's good. There you go. So there isn't really much here to see, but we're here nonetheless because of this famous drive, you know, Land's End to John O Groats. And this was also part of our stop off, and we have stopped off and we have conquered it. So I'm happy about that. We've done it. So from John O Groats, Ronnie and Puna, it's goodbye, and catch you in the next one.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Hi guys, so we're out trying to look for some puffins with the binoculars. We did see some, but this camera doesn't have a good enough zoom lens to zoom into them. But it's amazing where we are. Look at where Puna is. It's nuts. Let's see if I can give you guys a better view of what this looks like. So that's the sheer drop right there, and my foot is here. That's the edge, and then it's like 300 meters down. Anyhow, there you go. There's a puffin right there beating its wings. Let's see if we can get any closer. But it is a puffin. It's hard to see these things. There we go. Can we actually see it? Yeah. So it's got the yellow feet and the beak. That's a puffin. And we found it, finally.